We are FFUN Motorsports Winnipeg East, and we are located at 925 Lagimodiere Blvd on the east side of Winnipeg. We carry Manitou pontoon boats, Alumacraft fishing boats, as well as Sea-Doo personal watercrafts and Sea-Doo switch pontoon boats. We're most excited about getting an early start on the summer season, really kicking it off, getting in the mood, and being able to really visit with some of our summer customers again. For us, the highlight's definitely going to be the new Alumacraft body style, the new X body style, as well as the Sea-Doo switch fish package. Potential buyers should definitely attend the show just to gather some more information, as well as be able to get the first shot on the best inventory of the year, as well as the best deals of the year. Would definitely be ask questions. Ask as many questions as you can. We're here to help. We're here to answer those questions for you and get you all the information you need to make an educated decision. See you at the 2025 Mid-Canada RV and Boat Sale.